Hey, it's Michael again. I just wanted to shoot a video of my 2020 Subaru Outback Touring XT, the squeaky front doors. Mainly it's coming from the driver's side door. And just to show you guys that it has nothing to do with the little edge guard that I had on there, because some people said, well, what about the edge guard? Isn't that causing it? No, here it is on the back door. I just peeled it off. Here it is on the ground. It goes back on pretty easily. So here's the sound that I get when I open and close the door. It's a beautiful dry day in New Jersey. It's about 55 degrees. And let's listen to this now. Oh, I gotta close it all the way. There we go. The other theory was that, oh, that's air escaping. It seals so well. So I played around with the back door so you can hear what a normal door sounds like. It sounds like a normal door to me. Now let's go ahead and leave that door open. And I should also point out, my hatch is open on the back. It's wide open. See? So there's no vacuum here, okay? And here we go back to the front door again. Okay, so we've tried a couple of different things. Tried taking this and coating it in silicone. That didn't work. I tried it dry. That didn't work. All the way around it goes. Okay, and there's also a seal here on the door. Obviously, this is some sort of a manufacturing defect. I'm not sure exactly where the sound is coming from, unless there is a adjustment that would fix this problem. But I would love some feedback on this. I'm not sure if anybody else is experiencing this. It doesn't affect the performance of the car, but it certainly is an annoyance. And for a car that taps over $40,000, I don't think it should sound like a piece of junk. That's it, folks.